A bird nerd rarely gets the girl. Just ask this avian Casanova, the mannequin. There are over 50 species of this showy little bird, and they all go full out to court the ladies. At breeding time, the brightly colored males stake out a staging area called a lek, the bird equivalent of a singles bar. A branch serves as the dance floor. The act isn't all snazzy steps. Sound is just as important. The buzzes, whirs, and snaps may catch a lady's eye. But the noise also warns other males. Back off, she's mine. And if all else fails, show some leg. The competition is so fierce that only alpha males will mate. Now that makes online dating look easy.